Today, I'm going to teach you how to change a PDF title in Properties using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is particularly useful when you need to update document metadata for better organization or professional presentation. Let's walk through this straightforward process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. When the application launches, you'll be prompted to log in with your credentials. Make sure you enter your login details correctly to access all the features available in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This step is essential as it ensures you have full access to the document editing capabilities we'll be using. Once you're logged in, you'll want to locate the PDF file you need to modify, navigate to the Recent Files section, which typically displays your most recently accessed documents. This makes it quick and easy to find the file you're working with. From the list of recent files, select the specific PDF document whose title you want to change. Click on it to open the file in the main workspace. With your document now open, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Here you'll find the menu button. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your document. From this menu, select Document Properties. This option is where all the metadata and information about your PDF is stored, including the title, author, subject, and keywords. A new window will appear showing the document properties. Look for the title field, which is usually one of the first options you'll see in this dialog box. Click into this field and enter your desired title name. This is the title that will appear in the document's metadata and can be displayed in file managers and search results. Take a moment to ensure the title is accurate and properly formatted. After entering your new title, click the OK button at the bottom of the Properties window. This action confirms your changes and closes the Document Properties dialog box. You'll be returned to your main document view, and the title modification is now applied to the file's metadata. Now comes an important final step. In the upper right corner of the screen, locate and click the Save button. This ensures that all the changes you've made to the document properties are permanently stored in the PDF file. Without saving, your title change would be lost when you close the document. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the PDF title in the document properties using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.